Hello friends, this is Wendy with Cannin Plannin. Welcome back to day number 14 of Craft with Me. If you're watching me live, you're probably celebrating Valentine's Day today, so happy Valentine's Day. If you're watching the replay, totally fine. Welcome to Craft day number 14. So we're going to do something today with our coffee card kit that you may not have thought about trying before with your cards, and that is using a toilet paper roll. So let me show you what we're going to do today, friends. All right, you guys, we are playing in the coffee card kit, and I have some of my favorite things again to be using. So I have the envelope from the card kit, a card base. I grabbed a piece of double-sided paper from our kit. Part of it's teal and part of it's brown. I have our sentiment stickers, grabbed our coffee cup washi tape, and then I also have some brown stamp ink and a toilet paper tube. All right, what we're going to do first, you guys, is how many of you drink coffee, first of all? And second of all, how many of you often find that you have coffee rings around wherever you've been drinking your coffee? Maybe you have a coffee ring on your counter. Maybe you have it on a what's the word I'm looking for? Coaster. Anyway, you've made a mess in your coffee with your coffee. And so now you have these little rings. That's what we're going to use our toilet paper for. We are going to use this like a stamp. And we're going to create a little coffee rings with our stamps, like with our little coffee cup, right? Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so fun. Look at that. Doesn't it look just like something that happens with your coffee cup when you set it down, right? So we're not going to leave them just like that. We're going to do some, obviously, paper tearing because I love to tear paper. So first we're going to start by tearing the paper. And we want the teal to be the most prominent color in this tear. So I'm going to have the white side be on that. Okay, I'm going to save this because Lord knows I like to go back and use them. And then the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to tear the other side. So we're going to make just a wide strip of teal. And then what we're going to do is I'm actually going to cover up some of those coffee stains so it looks like this, right? So I have my double-sided sticky tape or my craft tape. And it's going to leave that little bit of a border, and that's okay because it's that regular paper that goes with the kit. And then I have to decide, do I want my stripes to go up and down, or do I want my stripes to go side to side? And I think I'm going to go side to side, and I want these ones to be a nice straight cut. So I grabbed my paper trimmer, and I'm just going to do, I want like a 1/2 inch. Ish. I say ish because I want it to have a little bit of dimension there. So I'm going to do a 1/2 inch strip, which means now we have this leftover piece that we're going to be able to use later. And I'm going to add this strip right down the middle of that teal. And so we've added that little piece right there. Then we're going to take our coffee cup, and I have some dimensions. We're going to pop those up a little bit. Like so. So that we can pop this off the paper just a smidge. Like this. And then we're going to grab our sentiment. And I think today we're just going to do just a note. Why not? Because, you're just writing a note when you have coffee all over the place. And then I think that I want to add a button. I wasn't planning on it, but it looks like it needs another little pop of color. So I'm going to use this teal button. And I have my adhesive dots. I'm going to grab those. These are great for adhering buttons. And I'm just going to do this little pop of color right there. On the inside, I want to add my little strip of washi tape because I love having just a little pop of color inside my card as well. And you know, the little trick for tearing washi tape is grabbing a stencil and trimming off the excess like so. So we have our little card. We're going to take our envelope. We're going to do the same on the back side of the envelope just to decorate that up a little bit. Again, we're going to grab our stencil, tear along the top flap of the envelope like so. We're going to add our little decorative sticker. And there you go, you guys. You have the cutest little card with the little coffee circles using a toilet paper roll. So if you have found this information helpful, friends, please feel free to share it out. And I hope to see you guys all back here for day number 15. Bye, friends.